Hey sewing friends, happy Feature Friday. If you're new here to Love Notions, every Friday we take some time to feature one of our special patterns and give it a special price and give you lots of resources for sewing it up, whether you've had it for ages or if it's brand new to you today. So today's feature has never before been featured, so this is your first opportunity to get it for that $5 price, and it is the Lengthen top. It is such a unique piece. I love the side buttons. You can make them functional or not. And it has a couple different sleeve lengths. You can make it sleeveless for kind of like a vest look, or you can use 3/4 like I've got here for a nice spring look, or you can do like a long sleeve sweater. And all of them are so unique and such a statement piece. You can also choose to make the front piece, the front bodice piece, cropped, and then the back at different length. So a really unique piece that you can customize to how you want it. So today, Chloe is on the blog to give you even more options for this pattern, and she's showing you how to make Lengthen top into a dress. So I love the way that she put this together. She even played with the neckline a little bit, and if you take a look at today's blog at lovenotions.com, you can see how she did it. I love it. Another thing that you might want to know is that the Lengthen top is meant to be a little bit more of a boxy fit and a little bit shorter on the torso. So there is a lengthen shorten line that you can use. And if you want to have some more information on how to do that to suit your preferences, we also have a blog post about that at lovenotions.com. And I'll link all of those in the description box below. So one of the things that I love about Lengthen top is this faced neckline. So it doesn't have a neck band, but it has a really like a more formal look with that faced neckline. It's such a clean finish. It's very just like a beautiful, elegant finish. And I'm going to show you how I achieve that faced neckline binding in the latter part of this video. So stay tuned if you want to see that. So make sure that you check out the Lengthen top today. Today is the first day that you will be able to purchase it for just that $5 price, that special price. And it's only good for today, Friday. So jump on that when you can. And make sure that if you are interested in following along with Love Notions, that you sign up for our newsletter and stay connected with us. We have a lot of really fun things coming up this year, and I'm so excited to share them with you. So stay tuned to see how to do that faced neckline binding. Bye.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.